Okay, so just gonna do a little ride along video with the GoPro in the car. I have a few errands to run. I'm gonna go get gas first because I need gas. Gonna try this with one hand because it's a 5-speed. Yeah, I know I need the dash piece. I've been too lazy to put it in. Dang, that card is already... I don't know how, man, like, I started this 30 seconds ago, and I've already gone down from 93 to 92%. And it's the tire rubbing. And it went down to 91%. I don't know how or why it loses battery so quick. And the SIM card is counting down as well, I guess, for the space. I have like 50 minutes that I can record. Like I said, I'm still trying to get used to this camera. Scrape that much on the speed bump because I'm not that low, but you'll be able to hear it. I don't know if you heard that or not. Driving on the highway for a long time, I'm able to get it to pop and backfire pretty good. Of course, the GoPro's not gonna pick up how shaky it is because it has like the stabilization thing on, which is good though, makes the video smoother. That's gotta be a tire rubbing. Right now in Fort Carson, so that's why this gas station might look a little different. I really want to do the fuel tank relocation, but I don't know. I mean, I don't think it's going to be hard. I just want to be able to put my mini bikes and stuff in here. So I don't know. Gonna put a few dollars worth of gas in here. I still may do the fuel tank relocation, I don't know. Show you real quick. That shit is low. I know it definitely rubs back here. And I lost this cap fucking with it. Now the tire's rubbing back here on this little portion. Rubbing a decent amount, and it's probably where I cut it inside of there somewhere. Because it's not back there. So gas here is $2.98. It went down surprisingly. Usually it's fucking like $3.50. But I'm gonna end the video here.